What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about slipping. So slipping is a defensive maneuver that uses the head and the torso to evade the shot instead of absorbing the shots on our hands and on our gloves. Okay, so instead of blocking the straight shots, the jab or the cross with our gloves or with our forearms or our shoulder even, today we're going to talk about using our body to take our head off the line to evade the shot. Okay, so how do we slip? Slipping is generally used to evade straight shots. So if we're in our fight stance and our opponent, say, throws a jab towards our head, what we're going to do is we're going to bend our knees and we're going to rotate towards our rear leg. Okay, so if we're rotating or if we're slipping to our right or towards our rear side, I'm going to bend my knees and I'm going to rotate towards my rear side just to take my head off the line of the shot. Bending my knees, rotating. As I rotate, I'm keeping my hands up nice and high and my chin tucked in, eyes on the opponent just in case another shot comes. Okay, as I rotate, I'm going to keep my knee inside my chin inside my knee, not the other way around. I'm going to keep my chin inside my knee. If I dip my chin too far outside of my knee, I'm off balance and I'm vulnerable to catch a shot. So what I need to do is I need to keep my chin tucked in. As I slip, I'm only slipping as far as my knee is. The same is true for the other side. If I'm slipping to my left, same thing. My hands are up, I'm bending my knees and I'm rotating my body towards my lead side, taking my head off the line of the shot. So as I'm standing here, let's say my opponent throws across this time, I'm just gonna bend my knees, rotate my head towards my lead side. Once again, I'm not gonna dip my chin too far over my knee. I'm gonna be off balance and I'll have to correct before I move again. Okay, so make sure, guys, your hands stay up nice and high, shoulders are up nice and high as well with your chin tucked in, and you're slipping one way and the other way. So from the side, fight stance here, slipping to my rear side, rotating and bending my knees. Rotating, bending my knees. Hands stay up nice and high, covering my chin. I'm keeping my eyes on my opponent and my shoulders stay up to reinforce that protection. Remember, guys, the gloves aren't that thick. So they're not that big, so you don't have to do these massive, exaggerated movements to get out of the way. You want to try and keep it efficient, keep it tight. The gloves are only so big, so you really only have to move a little bit to get out the way. The bigger your movements, the more you have to use energy to balance yourself again, which is going to use more energy. So you just want to keep it tight. Just remember the hands aren't that big. You're not fighting the Hulk. You're just going to move just out the way. Okay, maintain your balance. Don't dip your chin over your knees too far, and then straight back into fight stance. If your hands are already up, nice and high, it doesn't take much to get back here into fight stance, nice and safe. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We've got hundreds of more videos like this one in our online course, so make sure you hit the link below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you love this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you'll get a notification every time we drop a video. Cheers, guys.